Okay, Scuba Dan here from the ECF. We're going to go over how to assemble the scubagen Mini or the SGMv3 or whatever you want to call it. The 300. Okay, anyway, I kind of got ahead of myself and I took these 1/4 inch long 3/16 in diameter 0.116 hole in the center, and I've already installed these in both ends, and this end and this end, so you can already see them inserted. So once you get these, you'll get 2 of them. Usually what I do is I throw it on a Phillips screwdriver like this, and I'll just stick it in the hole and then press and seat it all the way in, so it looks like that. Next thing you're going to do is take your O-ring, and slap an O-ring on here, run it all the way to the bottom, and once we get it all the way to the bottom, we'll go ahead and put it in the groove. Next one goes in the second groove. Alright, those are the main 2 that are the silicone. This one is the Brna, I think is the name of it. It's a harder, which works better with the top than what these do. It's these are softer, so it works better with the Pyrex tank. So you're going to get a Pyrex tank, nice, pretty. And the pin, I already got the screw. I don't know if you can see it or not. The screw's already in the end of this. So, and it's got the little shoulder right there. So basically all you're going to do is insert it from the bottom. And push. And now it is in. To get it out, just go the opposite direction. Push this way and it pops out the bottom, grab a hold of it and yank. So now the pin's in. So now we're going to put the tank on. Give it a quick wet and push. Tank's on. Last thing I put on is the O-ring, because the O-ring, obviously it's easier if you're taking the tank off. You take this O-ring off first. It's easier to get past 1 O-ring than 2 O-rings. Top cap, well, obviously you're going to make a coil and then stick 1 mesh in, or 2 of the wicks in, so run a dual, a U, or a single, and then you can just plug one of these holes, and then you get your full hole in the back here, and run your coil from ground up the wick to positive. Then line your hole. There is a hole in here, your air hole, that you line up with whichever wick you put it in. Wherever the coil's sitting, that's where you want your air hole to be directed right at it. So if you got a wick in this hole, then you just line up the air with it and put it on. And then put a mouthpiece in it, and it's fill it with juice, and the thing's pretty much ready to go. How long did that take me? 3 minutes and 46 seconds. Alright, not bad. Well, I already had the spacers in it. So, alright, well, that's Scuba Dan out. Quick assembly of the Mini Scubagen version 3. And this is Scuba Dan. Yeah, I'm tired. Leave me alone. And I'm out.